guys, it's Wendy here from Wendy Wise. Thanks for visiting me again today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day so far. Today, I am so excited to share with you some products that I discovered early last year. I think I have mentioned to you guys before that I do straighten my hair with Brazilian keratin, and I do use bio-keratin, so I have to be very careful to use hair care products which are not very aggressive. In my October Empties video, I did talk about the Keratin series, and I will link the video to this one. I bought the Keratin series from ArganiCare over a year ago, and I loved it so much I went back into store to buy it. However, I came across a new series, which is the Prickly Pear series. And after reading about Prickly Pear, I decided to go ahead and try it as opposed to buying the keratin a second time. I fell in love with these hair products. They are so lovely. The hair care products are based on organic argan oil. So this is the way the packaging looks, yeah? The packaging from ArganiCare, it is just so pretty. It looks very oriental. So the series that I am now trying and reviewing, actually I have been using this for close to a month now. It is not trying, it is in my daily, weekly hair care routine. Okay, so with this intro, I will just go ahead and read to you some of the benefits of organic prickly pear oil. Rich in amino acids and vitamins, the prickly pear oil owes its popularity to its unique properties, which make it the world's most expensive oil. Rare and precious, it's a real natural treasure, having one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants and hydrating, repairing agents within the vegetal realm. It is an original elixir for intense nutrition, which hydrates and reinforces. I did read this prior to picking up the products. I mean, this line, it comes from France, and sometimes you have to be a little bit careful, yeah, with French claims on packaging. But I did my own research, and then I decided to pick up the products. First product that I got was the hair mask. This is a very thick hair mask, and it has some fragrance, but it is not at all very aggressive. After putting this on my hair, when I am combing my hair in the shower after, it is very seldom tangled. This is an awesome hydrating mask. And then I went ahead and got the shampoo, which I also love very much. And then one of my favorite products from ArganiCare, it is these hair serums. This hair serum, it can be used lightly on dry hair for just giving shine and for helping to better manage the hair, or it can be used as a very deep cure, which I do sometimes. You add a generous amount of oil and allow it to sit into the hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. The hair serum, this, I paid for this 22 euros. I mean, the manufacturer says it is 53 euros is the UVP, but honestly, I don't find this online anywhere for 53 euros. It is normally in the price range of about 22 to 25 euros. The hair serum, for me, it is the star in the line. This is a very moisturizing shampoo. I do enjoy using this very much, and honestly, sometimes when I'm in a hurry and I do not have much time yet to allow the mask or another conditioner to sit in my hair for 10-15 minutes, I do use this shampoo and go, and I do not have problems with tangling. This Repair shampoo, it says Ultra Fortifying Shampoo for all hair types. The shampoo costs £12.50 to about sometimes 19 euros. The mask costs, the UVP is 52 euros, but I got this for 23 euros. Honestly, I think the UVP is a bit exaggerated on these products. As I said, I was not able to find them online anywhere for the UVP price. The mask, this has 500 milliliters. The shampoo is 400 milliliters and the serum is 100 milliliters. This hairline has a lot of different sub-series, I would call it, within the line, and each one targets a particular type of hair. I have seen there is also, similar to the Figue de Barbarie, the prickly pear, there is also a collagen line, and as I said, I have used the Keratin line. There is also a shea butter line. There is also coconut. I think there are at least 7 or 8 sub-series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Whenever I find such products that I love, that I think you guys would be interested in, I am always happy to make dedicated videos. Please remember to leave me a comment below and to subscribe if you like this channel. I do see a ton of people watching, however, the majority of the viewers are unsubscribed. Thanks guys once again. Hope to see you soon back on my channel. Take care and tschüss. Bye bye.